So much for retreating to the northern camp. I hope Jubei's all right.
Inside! Quick! Lord Kitamori is with the commander.
I need you here. We already interrogated Madgor. What are you doing here?
I told her to come.
Against my orders.
Commander Wada, she stood with me, defending the bridge against the Oni raiders. She's an ally.
She is dangerous, as unpredictable and self-serving as a wild animal. She doesn't belong here.
Yes, she does. This way.
Don't test my patience.
Careful, or you won't be Lord Kitamori anymore. Just plain old Jubei.
Results are what matters to the Matsumai. All will be forgiven when I deliver the Oni's head.
If you say so.
My scout returned with news of Madgoro. There was a fire at the mountaintop shrine. Its new priest is stranded at the summit.
And?
This so-called priest is rumored to be eccentric and missing a number of teeth.
Oh, Goro.
I hate to think what rites he's been performing for the kami.
Or the amount of offerings he's kept for himself.
Ugh, that would be low. Even for him. The shrine's not far. Let's take a look.
Did your scout know he was disobeying orders by looking into Madgoro?
Of course.
You have loyal friends.
Being part of a clan isn't just about honor or serving the Lord. We watch out for each other.
You're risking a lot to help me.
You may not be Matsumai, but you are my clan, Atsu.
You said you didn't want to know me.
Rash words, I regret. We are our father's twin wolves. No one can take that from us. The shrine is at the top of this mountain. The path is more rubble than stairs. Let's find another way up.
We can climb up from there. I'll give you a boost.
Remember when Father would have us climb that cliff near our home?
Said it would give us the strong back of a swordsmith.
He just wanted to tire us out, so we'd sleep through the night.
It worked. Huh.
Hear that?
Voices. Stay low.
We just need to wait it out. He can't have much food up there.
Bounty hunters. The Oni must have heard Madgoro was still alive.
Let's do this quick and quiet.
Wouldn't be surprised if that crazy bastard burned the shrine inside just to spite us.
Think of the Oni's reward. He doubled it after that woman tried to assassinate him. Drinks on me. I saw nothing! No more! Please! She's unkillable! A ghost! There's a bounty on your head. Don't make this difficult.
That's the last of them. And they will better still be at the summit.
Think positive, Atsu.
Scorched wood and black powder. Mad Goro's been making firebombs again.
Something to look forward to.
I'll find a way to the other side.
Atsu! The way you rush into things. It's like you have no regard for your own life.
I won't die until every member of the Yotei 6 is in the ground.
There are things. People live or beyond revenge.
Your turn, brother.
You know I can't climb that. Find me a more dignified path.
This way, my lord. The path is blocked. Use a hand, my lord.
Because you asked nicely.
This shrine has seen better days.
Storms in Ishikari Plain take their toll.
I'm all right. Keep going. I'll find my way back to you.
Hurry, and be careful.
It's cold. Must be the winds from further north.
Atsu, up here!
I'm fine, Jubei. You worry too much.
And you too little. Atsu, I just want more for you than the life of an outsider.
I know.
Look. You can see the Oni'S castle from here. Does the mainland have views like this?
I never took the time to look. I just kept moving, fighting.
Running.
No. Do you remember the stories Mother used to tell us about Ronryo? Ruthless spirits, wandering the land, driven by vengeance. Sometimes I feel like that is what I am.
A ghost among the living.
I'm glad you found home with the Matsumae. But I can't escape that night.
What the Yotei 6 did to us. I just pretend it happened to someone else. That boy who couldn't save his parents. I buried him with my shame and became a samurai who could protect his family.
I never blamed you.
Nor I you.
We're near the summit. Let's find Mad Goro and finish this.
He better not run this time.
If he does, I'll break his legs to match his teeth.
I'll hold him down for you. Have you been back? To our home? What's it like?
When I'm there, I can hear Mother's shamisen. Smell Father's forge.
That's what I'm afraid of.
We can't stay away forever, Jubei.
Welcome, travelers. Come, purify yourselves.
Drop the act, Goro. We know it's you.
He may not be a real priest, but it is a real shrine.
Your mouth as well.
I'm going to kill him.
At least he's not running.
No, he's just stalling. Happy now?
Exceedingly.
Tell me how you escaped the Oni'S castle.
First, we must honor the kami. Then, all will be made clear. Let us hope Kagutsuchi honors us with his blessing.
How did you escape Castle Ishikari?
That is a long tale from a previous life.
It appears your past isn't done with you. More bounty hunters are on their way.
And we cannot dishonor this shrine with spilt blood.
He's hiding somewhere. Find him.
Maybe we should let them take you.
If I die, so do my secrets. But help me, and they are yours.
This is the last time.
Here, a gift from Kagutsuchi, the kami of fire.
The Oni raiders use this oil.
And now, so do you. Life is funny that way.
There's the Mount Goro, I remember.
Wait for us, you crazy bastard!
Saito
Need more fire? I'm happy to oblige. Your blade looks thirsty for fire.
Is
Every bounty hunter in Ishikari playing after your head?
Heads, toes, and everything in between. Hope you're ready to die. There's no escape! Your blade looks thirsty for fire! Need more fire? I'm happy to oblige! There are more below! Not another step!
Not that.
I know. Kagutsuchi provides. I forgot something at the shrine. Would we?
No.
It was a joke. There's nowhere left to run. The only house is musket. Can't we let bygones be bygones? Don't let them dead. We only have them alive. Guess not. There's nowhere left to run. The only house is musket. Can't we let bygones be bygones? I guess not. Need more fire? I'm happy to oblige. Such a shame. Well, that's what happens when you attack a priest.
You're not a priest.
The harmony between you two. It's beautiful.
Come on. We're almost at the bottom.
Sadly, this is where we part ways.
Wait.
Oh, right. Our deal. Beneath the Oni'S castle is an abandoned mine that leads to the sea. You'll need a boat. There may be one hiding along the coast nearby.
Maybe.
It was there when I left it. Fair warning. The mine smells, it's dark, and you'll probably break your neck. Which is a shame, because it's rather lovely.
Megoro?
You're not honor-bound to arrest me?
Not today. Though I suggest you find a new profession. One within the law.
And that you're qualified for.
Until we meet again.
He is exhausting.
But useful. Now we can sneak into the castle.
And kill the Oni. Together.
I'll find Madgoro's boat. Knowing him, it will need repairs. Meet me there when you're ready.
Over here, boy. Homura, right. Will you be long?
Hard to say. I'm not done training yet.
You should give that arm a rest.
Rest? With fire-spitting demons roaming Ishikari, if I don't get stronger, I'll end up as kindling.
Why don't you hold this coin while I take a turn?
Coin, huh? Well, I suppose a break couldn't hurt.
I won't be long.
Wish I could swing a sword like that. Don't kill me! I gave you everything I have!
Liar! Empty those pockets, or I'll run you through and search your corpse!
What are you doing?
Having a chat about the weather.
Help me! Please!
Walk away. This man owes me coin. Our business has nothing to do with you.
It does now. Let him go.
Oh, I got you both. Double the coin. Buy the good sake tonight.
Thank you for stopping him.
I didn't like his attitude.
Please, take this coin.
Thought you gave him everything you had.
Well, maybe not everything. Stay safe out there, stranger.
Hey, boy. Raiders have taken over this forge. I hope Kotetsu the weaponsmith is still alive.
These Matsumai burn better than timber. Keep us warm.
I can dye whatever belongings you wish. Which dyes call to you? Be careful out there. Go, go!